so now we're gonna do a video of this fan on with the 3-speed fan control. I'm just gonna demonstrate the light one time only. So there you go, because the light does have an effect on it, but since the light did not come with the fan, I'm not gonna use it that way. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna put the controller low, and I'm gonna turn the fan, I'm gonna put the fan on high. So first we're gonna look at the control speeds that this fan will put out. So here's low. As you guys so I'll do a side-by-side comparison of factory versus control. So there's that little comparison for you. So now I'm gonna put the fan to high on the pull chain, medium on the control, so as you can see, this is pretty much factory low. And then we've seen high before, but if you did not see the original video, here's high. So there's that. So there's where the pull chain's on high. Now I'm going to turn the chain to low. And then I'm gonna put the fan, I'm gonna put the controller on low, and then the pull chain on low. And this is super weird, but my Royal Windine also did this, so I think this is just a thing with older fans. So as you can see, it goes way faster. Medium. And then high on the control, but low on the pull chain. There's really no speed difference at all. So that was a waste of time. This fan is not reversible, for those who didn't know. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this video of my plastic Emerson designer with the 3-speed control. Thank you for watching. And also, please subscribe.